Verge, verge, verge. An edge, border or limit beyond which something will begin or end. Look at this tree growing at the verge of the cliff. Look at the swimmer standing right at the verge of the swimming pool. It looks like he's just about to jump into the pool. Look at this chalk cube kept right at the edge of the table. It's right at the verge of the table. What if it falls? Let's use verge in a sentence now. She put the glass away from the verge of the table so that it doesn't fall and break. Verge, verge, verge. An extreme limit beyond which something specified will happen.
Hey, look at this movie. This is a new movie that has come up. I think it's gonna be amazing. Let's quickly go and watch this movie. What are you working at? Come on, let's go for the movie. It'll be fun.
There's this really tough math problem that I was trying to solve, and now you've disturbed me. I was just about to solve it. I was this close to solving it.
Oh, should I help you?
No, I was at the verge of solving it and you disturbed me.
Oh.
Now I have to work on it again.
Oh, I can help you with it.
Okay.
Let's use verge in a sentence now. Sonakshi was at the verge of solving her math problem when her friend came and disturbed her.